This is registernursern.com, and today we're going to look at how to become a pediatric nurse. Pediatric nursing is a very popular area in nursing. A lot of people really seem to like this job, and this is a very high demand specialty for nurses. And what does a pediatric nurse do? Okay, a pediatric nurse provides acute specialty and primary care for individuals up to the age of 21 years old. And that's pretty interesting because there's a common misconception that a lot of pediatric nurses only provide care for young children, but that is not the case. They will provide care also for older children and even young adults. The work environment for a pediatric nurse often includes hospitals, doctors' offices, critical care units, and other community-based settings. Some specialize in areas of oncology, cardiology, dermatology, and similar occupations. The acute primary and specialty services that a pediatric nurse provides can include things such as caring for chronically, critically, or acutely ill children, providing well child examinations, providing thorough physical examinations, providing routine developmental screenings, interpreting diagnostic and laboratory results, administering therapeutic treatment and ordering medications, immunization delivery, administering physicals, diagnosing and treating childhood illnesses, and providing guidance regarding common health concerns of children. And they have a very important job, and they often explain diseases and conditions to parents and family members who may be struggling with a child that has a specific disease. As far as the educational requirements to become a pediatric nurse, you typically are going to have your RN degree, and again, you can get an ADN or a BSN. Either one of those two degrees will be fine. If you want to know the differences between those two degrees, we also have a video and articles on our website, so you can learn more about that. But generally speaking, you get your RN degree, and then you can become specialized with pediatric nursing, and they will provide on-the-job training for that. If you become a pediatric nurse over a period of time, you can't even sit for an examination from the Pediatric Nursing Certification Board, and you can become a certified pediatric nurse. And that is also a great way to progress your career. It's also possible to earn advanced credentials as a pediatric nurse and become a pediatric nurse practitioner or a child nurse specialist in pediatrics by earning a Master's of Science in Nursing. And that extra level of education will give you additional responsibilities that you can do, and also will lead to a higher salary. As far as just basic pediatric nursing, you're probably going to earn a salary of about $62,000 to $83,000. That's the median annual salary for this type of nursing. That can vary a lot, and it could even be a little bit lower if it's a very small town. It could be higher if it's a very large city. So again, that's just going to vary depending on your experience and the location. If you go back to nurse practitioners or clinical nurse specialists in pediatrics, you can earn a salary of up to $100,000 in some areas. So definitely see a big salary increase if you do go back and get the higher education. And some of the highest concentration of positions for pediatric nurses can be found in Los Angeles, Phoenix, and New York. Again, these larger cities tend to attract some of these positions in nursing. As far as the outlook for pediatric nursing, it's expected to continue to increase through 2020. The increase is due to the increasing number of new hospitals, private practices, and clinics that are opening and requiring trained pediatric nurses to handle the increased demand for primary, acute, and specialty care services. And greater opportunities are available to pediatric nurses who earn a master's degree, as we said before, in nursing, or earn additional credentials. And there's always going to be demand for that, and that's, again, a great way to advance your career. So if you're interested in pediatric nursing, or if you want to see a list of more specialties, we have these on our site at registernursern.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube videos, and we'll be putting out more videos on nursing specialties and salaries and nursing school tips and all sorts of things. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.